Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for Philosophy Week of 11:30. So, last week we finished Chapter 6 on self, and this week, and continuing on to next week, we will look at the third chapter about God. And what I'll introduce you to on Monday are these paradigm shifts in philosophy, which I hope you will see parallel the ancient, medieval, modern, and postmodern philosophical worldviews. So just as the way that we see the world and the way that we think changes in these different periods of philosophy, we'll see that same type of transition between the different worldviews in theology as we did in philosophy. And after I introduce these paradigm shifts in theology, we'll have a discussion on how we personally imaged the divine at this point in our lives. We'll take a look then on Tuesday at a postmodern theology. Most of us haven't been introduced to this way of seeing God, and so we'll look at chapter 3 of a book by John Caputo, who's a postmodern theologian, called The Folly of God. Chapter 3 is called In Praise of Weakness, and how he images God with a postmodern worldview. On our asynchronous day on Wednesday, you'll finish that reading that we start in class together, and there's a few questions that will be on campus. We'll come back on Friday or Thursday, depending on when you have your block day. We'll have a discussion of what you did, and there'll be a further reflection just at the end of that, a short, 10-point reflection. So that's what we have. We have a 30-point assignment and a 10-point reflection for the assignments that you will have this week. So I look forward to seeing you all, and I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving break.